Hello and welcome to another edition of Stockwatch. As we get into the middle of the trading week now, we hear that Tesla CEO Elon Musk has disapproved of a new bill that has come to light regarding electric vehicles. And what it basically means is that there is going to be a little bit of a different type of bill that's going to be set for electric vehicles that have been produced domestically, and also that companies that belong to trade unions as well. So this is going to be voted on today, actually, and Tesla is famously anti-union, as it has been very loud about it in the past, while workers at other plants such as General Motors and Ford stand to actually profit or benefit from this as well. So it hasn't gone down too well, as I said, in Tesla, but it could boost the electric vehicle production and sales in general, after there has been a bit of a sales slump in general with electric vehicles so far this year. It hasn't really taken off as much as what a lot of companies had anticipated. There is a nice growth with electric vehicles, but not as much as what Joe Biden wants anyway. He's planning to plow $750 million into the economy for more electric vehicles to be put on the road as well for his big green policy. Like I said, General Motors and Ford stand to benefit, and the Democrats also aim to increase tax credits for electric vehicles as well. But yeah, the proposal must pass the Senate first for a $3.5 trillion bill that's going to go forward. So let's see what happens. We had a little bit of a sell-off in Tesla stock yesterday. I'll just zoom in a little bit for the areas of interest so it's a little bit more clear. So we had a bit of a sell-off, but prices did recover eventually. We'll look at the intraday charts shortly. So we're just looking at this particular momentum at the moment. So prices are still trading above the Ichimoku cloud, which is quite significant. However, what's not significant is it is trying its best to not only get back up to these $900 peaks, but even press the $800 peaks as well, which we've seen. Sorry about my really bad straight lines, but we are looking to see if it's going to really start penetrating these $800 regions, or if it's going to weigh heavy and start moving lower into the Ichimoku cloud, which will be a little bit detrimental for its price action as well. Not really getting back to stock split pricing anytime soon neither, which is a little bit detrimental. Looking at the intraday, as I said, a bit of a sell-off. We did fall quite far down near the 700 mark, but sorry about that, but prices did actually recover in time for the market close yesterday. So we'll see what's in store for Tesla. Obviously, always something going on in the news for Elon Musk especially, and he's always tweeting, which could shake up the Tesla stock price as well. So it's just something to look out for in that respect. And let's just take a quick look on General Motors as well. It's a stock that I've just been looking at quite closely. I'll leave it on the intraday for now on the 4 hour, because I just want to see this descending channel that has actually caught my eye for the last few trading sessions, actually as far back as June. And if I just pull it even further, we're seeing that the prices are still holding in this channel. We've had a little bit of a push to the upside, but now that prices are kind of engulfing in the Ichimoku cloud, it'll be difficult to see if we're going to hit this break this top border here, and then go on to hit the top of the Ichimoku cloud as well. So this will be quite difficult at the moment. I'm expecting prices to probably take another downturn at least, but there's no clues yet on the momentum, RSIs, any oscillators. They are going with the trend, so we'll wait and see what happens with that. But just keep an eye out if we're going to move past this area, like I said, and then think prices could creep up to the upside, but just be careful, because we did have a bit of a false break in previous sessions as well. So just something to keep an eye out for all companies that are trying to push the electric vehicle front and trying to obviously make a difference to their profit line. So that's all from the Stockwatch today. As usual, any comments or queries, please add them to the post, and we'll speak again tomorrow. Bye for now.